Hi guys, so this is the second part to the Rainfall vintage lamp. The last video we looked at what I picked up from the car boot and we gave it a bit of a test, checked the motor was working and the light needed changing, so that was all sorted. So I just needed to then get some oil and give it a test really. I've repaired the wires, so a couple of these wires have snapped, so they've been fixed, and I've managed to get some oil to then give it a test on there. So what I've used Johnson's baby oil, which is the paraffin liquidum, so it's the same as mineral oil, but it's what you get in the UK. So I've used 2 bottles of this. It's 300 ml, so I reckon I could do with a little bit more, but we'll see. We'll see what you guys think. See what you think on there. The ball's working, the pump's working. So just to give you a bit of a quick idea, and just to let you know where the oil goes in. So basically, I've poured the oil inside here. So as you can see, it's all in there. It's up to the first ridge, and you can see the pump is fully submersed in the oil, and then the pump will suck the oil up, pump it through this column here, and then it will drop through the top down the wires. What I've also done is I've used, well, it's for my 3D printer, but these are like pins to clean the hot ends, so if anything gets blocked you can use these needles. So what I've done is just kind of from the top kind of clean these little pipettes, so you can see it's a bit of the oil residue on there. So I've cleaned all around on just to make sure there's no blockages as well. So what I'll do is I'll just give you a quick show. Put the lid back on, not that it sprays out anywhere, but the lid's on there, and see what you think. So just plug it on, and then you'll hear the motor running. Sometimes it makes a bit of loud noise when the air's in there, but other than that it's pretty quiet, and you can see it's pumping the oil up here. It's going into the reservoir at the top, and now it's starting to drip down. So as the oil starts to travel around the top, you'll see these ones will then start to work. If not, then you can just ease it to the right a little bit just to let it get going, and then just level it off. You might even need to level underneath if the table's not level. You might need to just make sure it's really flat. So I'll pop these off just to give you a bit of an idea. And as you can see, the effect's pretty good, isn't it? So really happy with it. Now I've found this kind of artificial plant. I'm not sure about it yet, but I might have a look for something out. But just to give you an idea, this could then sit at the bottom. It normally would have something. It's plastic, so it's not going to be impacted by the oil, and it can still drop into the reservoir at the bottom. But again, I could use something like this and just kind of layer it up in between and on the top, just to see how that kind of could have a bit of an effect on there. But I'll have a little play around with it just to give you the idea. But yeah, so the oil's in, it's all working, and as you can see, it's a really good piece of kit. So just thought I'd share that with you and let you see the finished result, and I hope you like it, and yeah, speak to you soon. Take care, bye.